The incarcerated chairman of all parties Hurriyat conference, Masarrat Aalam Butt, has expressed gratitude to the people and government of Pakistan for their continued moral, political and diplomatic support to the Kashmiris' legitimate and indigenous freedom struggle. Masarrat Aalam Butt, in a letter from New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail addressed to the Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan, said the people of Kashmir are living a hellish life under the yoke of Indian imperialism. He said the observance of Kashmir Solidarity Day on 5th February every year by Pakistan shows country's commitment to the people of Kashmir engaged in a peaceful struggle to secure their right to self-determination. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference chairman said, being an important party to the Kashmir dispute, Pakistan has always advocated its settlement under the United Nations Security Council resolutions and Kashmir's aspirations. Kashmir Solidarity Day is being observed tomorrow to reiterate Pakistan's resolve to stand by Kashmiris to continue to extend all possible support to them till the realization of their right to self-determination. Upper House of the Pakistan's Parliament, Senate, today unanimously passed a resolution reassuring Pakistan's full support to the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in their just struggle for inalienable right to self-determination. The resolution, moved by Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Ali Muhammad Khan, paid rich tributes to the heroism and valor of the Kashmiri people. On the other hand, Pakistan's Foreign Office spokesperson Asim Iftikhar Ahmed, in his weekly news briefing in Islamabad today, said Pakistan remains deeply concerned about the worsening human rights and security situation in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, which continues to be under military and police siege. Meanwhile, in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, posters reading "Thank you Pakistan" appeared in different areas of the occupied territory. The posters with pictures of Father of the Nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan and Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa hailed the government of Pakistan for effectively highlighting the Kashmir cause at all international forums. Meanwhile, the occupation authorities did not allow people to offer Jummah prayers today at historic Jammu Masjid in Srinagar for the 27th consecutive week. Anjuman-e-Awqaf of the Jammu Masjid, in a statement, strongly denounced the authorities' action. A rally was organized in Muzaffarabad today to express solidarity with the oppressed people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The participants of the rally were holding banners and placards with slogans against India and in favor of Kashmir's freedom from Indian illegal occupation. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said the Kashmiris reject Indian occupation of their homeland and only want their inalienable right to self-determination guaranteed by United Nations Security Council through its several resolutions. It said the United Nations' failure to get its resolutions on Kashmir implemented has put a question mark on its credibility.